guys, welcome back to my channel once again. It's your girl Sperry, and today we are going to do a yarn twist, and it is very detailed. So as you can see over here at the back of my hair, I just divided it into 3 sections. So I secured it with a rubber band, and the first step to do is braid it like a regular bags braid for about 2 times or 3 times, and then you're just gonna start to twist. So if you don't know how to twist, twisting is very easy, and I actually have another detailed video on how to twist your hair if you're using a regular extension. So after the twist is done, you want to tie a knot, and I'm using actually 3 yarn to tie the knot. The total of the yarn I have right now is actually in 8 pieces, and I'm going to give you guys more detailed tutorial on how I'm doing it. So as you can see, I just passed the yarn underneath the hair for about 2 times, and then I braided my bags braids for I think about twice or 3 times, and then I just twist it out. So now as you can see, I'm tying another knot just to secure it, and that's the length of the hair. So this is where you guys can see it's closely. So that was just the bags braid, and now I'm going to go ahead and twist it. And how I'm doing the twist is I twirl the hair in my hand and then I twist it. So I do twirl and twist, and when I get to like the perimeters of my natural hair, I tuck it within the yarn, that way it doesn't show that much. So right now I'm tucking it in, and then I cover it up before I start to twist it again. I'm not sure if you guys got what I was trying to say, but if you didn't, you can just go back and replay it. And as you can see, that's my 3 yarn, and then I'm tying a knot right here to secure it, that way it doesn't unravel. So the first 3 is done, and now boom, I have another whole bunch done. So that's basically the length. It's like to my butt, and I love long hair. I don't care, but I love long hair. So you guys should just watch it, and this is just a fast pace. You can just quit right now if you think you got it, but if not, you can just go ahead and watch it. And that's 8 in total, I think. And I'm just gonna braid it, so enjoy. Okay, so before anybody come at me in the comment box about the video quality, I did not plan to share this with you guys, but since I had a lot of DMs about my twist, I decided to put something together for you guys. That way you can have something to look at if you want to do the same braids. And since y'all loved how I styled this hair with bandana, I just decided that if y'all loved it, y'all probably want to see it, so I got it for you. And if you've not watched that video, the link is going to be up there. You definitely don't want to miss that video. You should go watch it. So we are halfway through it, and I'm excited. That's a lot of yarn, and boom. So yeah, what I do at the end, I did not record that part. As I said, I was not trying to record for you guys, but I ended up just cutting the ends and then burning it, and that was basically it. And that's the outcome of the hair, which I absolutely love. I used this hair for about a month and 2 weeks, and it was still looking good. This is actually like the next day. And this is actually a month and 2 weeks later. Believe it or not, this is a month and 2 weeks later. Also a month and 2 weeks later. So if you've not watched the styling video, go ahead, click the link above, and it's also going to be in the description box as well as the comment box if you have not watched that video. Thank you guys so much for watching once again, and if you've not liked this video yet, go ahead, hit the like button, and also subscribe if you're not subscribed, because we got more coming for you. Peace out. Bye.
They told you that you couldn't do it 'cause you're washed up. Ain't like them bad girls said you should